Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best garden carts that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Sekey's Outdoor Folding Garden Cart. If you are looking for a garden cart that comes fully assembled and ready for use on arrival, then we can recommend Sekey's HeavyDuty Collapsible Wagon. While it's not typical for a garden cart to feature fabric in its design, this one does. A sturdy steel frame is covered in a durable fabric that is available in an assortment of colors. While the cloth may not be the most practical material for moving nature around, it can be easily removed for cleaning if dirt seeps into the fabric. What makes this utility wagon convenient for gardening is its effortless handling and its ability to maneuver its way over many different terrains without a hassle. This collapsible design is also a good consideration for those who do not have much storage space. Moving on at number 4, we have the BXL HeavyDuty Collapsible Garden Cart. This heavy-duty utility cart by BXL makes our list for its premium quality design and its ability to hold a solid 160 pounds at once. Because of its ability to fold, we wouldn't say this model has specifically been designed for gardening only. Instead, BXL Heavy-Duty Collapsible Garden Cart is a utility wagon that will come in handy for many scenarios. Still, with gardening in mind, we do recommend it for its large wheels that work well on any terrain and its ability to live up to its reputation for being a truly solid and heavy-duty tool. Many reviewers have given the 600D fabric covering a thumbs up too. This means that you should be able to haul pointy rocks and branches without worrying about the cloth ripping. And when it comes to removing dirt stains, simply remove the cover and pop it into the wash. At number 3, we have the Timber Ridge Sturdy Garden Wagon. A great lightweight choice for lighter gardening duties, the Timber Ridge utility wagon sets up quickly and can be stored easily in a crowded outdoor shed. With 4 oversized large wheels, this cart is stable on most terrains. It also features one of those nifty adjustable telescoping handles that lock at a preferred height. Suffice it to say, the design has been mastered to make hauling easy and effortless. This garden cart has a weight capacity of 150 pounds, so don't expect to go lugging around timber and heavy rocks. It's been perfectly built, however, to haul light loads and is ideal for the casual gardener. Covered in durable 600D polyester material, the cloth cover may tear if exposed to sharp objects. This shouldn't be a problem if you only plan on moving soil, leaves, and twigs from point A to B. At number 2, we have the Gorilla Cart's GOR1400COM Heavy-Duty Steel Cart. A must-have for successful gardeners with large plots of land. The Gorilla GOR1400COM can haul a whopping 1,400 pounds at once. So, if you plan on lugging heavy rocks and timber around your yard, then this is one of the sturdiest and most heavy-duty garden carts on the market. And with a clever locking pin and turn handle, you can even hook this wagon up to a lawn tractor or an ATV. Yup, this model is definitely the perfect solution for folks with larger properties or farms with livestock. Much like the GOR400COM, this design also has collapsible sides to form a flatbed for larger and awkwardly shaped objects. 15-inch pneumatic turf tires give you the grip you need to maneuver loads of garden refuse over various terrains with ease. And finally at number 1, we have the Gorilla Cart Score 1201B Heavy-Duty Steel Utility Cart. We just love the feisty striking yellow color of this Gorilla Cart's model. Aesthetics aside, the GOR1201B Heavy-Duty Cart has been built to tackle any landscaping environment, so it's an ideal option for an avid gardener. Sticking to a more modest loading capacity when compared to the GOR1400COM, this design can carry up to 1,200 pounds at a time. It is a great choice for hauling leaves, yard debris, and even a few small rocks. Like most Gorilla products, this model comes with a 1-year limited warranty. You can also expect a great after-sales service if you do experience any problems or have additional questions to ask. The cart is made from heavy-duty steel, so it won't wear and tear easily.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.